Hey y'all, it's ChrissyWoods. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my corkscrew rod set. So as you can see, this is the hair that we're starting with. She's already been shampooed and deep conditioned. We did an express condition on her today, actually. And we did a steam treatment as well. So now I'm going to start the rodding process. Now, when it comes to rodding, the most important thing, guys, is detangling the hair. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm making sure that it's thoroughly detangled, and I'm going right at the base of the hair and putting that rod right up against the base, and I'm going to rod on base. Now, again, detangling is super important if you want those nice, smooth, non-frizzy curls. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just parting off her hair, and I'm going to continue to rod until we get to the top. With her, we wanted fairly tight rods, and as you can see, well, you probably can't tell from here, but she does have a pretty long length of hair. So we went in with the pink rods, and that rod is going to give us the exact tightness of curl that we want. So I'm just going to sit here, and I'm going to let you guys watch me rod the rest of her hair, and I'll come back a little later. All right, guys, so we have everything rodded. I did go in with a larger rod at the top because I wanted to get a little fuller curl at the top. So now she goes under the dryer. As you can see, she was really shocked. She actually said her hair dried in record time. I said, girl, I know what I'm doing. So now her hair is dry, and I'm just going to do the best part. Like, this is the part that either it's going to give you like a lot of anxiety, or you're going to be super excited. Anxiety is that you're going to get that one rod that's not dry, or super excited because they're all dry and they come out perfect. So in this instance, boom, super excited. So I'm going to spray a little bit of sheen on her hair. This is the Nairobi, I forget what they call that stuff, but it's just like a little serum, a little spray serum. And I do like to spray that on the hair to give the hair some oils. So as I'm pulling these coils through, it gives it just a little bit of slip and a little bit of shine. So I just grabbed the Nairobi one because that was the one closest to me. I'm not really, I can't say that it's like one of my faves, but it does get the job done and it smells good. So it worked. So I just sprayed some of that on there, and I am separating her curls. Now, with my clients, I don't like to do too much separating because I do want to give you guys like extra days with your style. The more you separate, the faster it will tend to frizz, or not just frizz, but it'll just start to get that older type feel. Now, to me, the older the rod set gets, the better it looks. But I want to give you a few more days with that. So I tend to only separate like maybe once or twice with the curls. And I always instruct my clients on how to care for their hair with the rods and what to put on it. I give them options for how to sleep with it at night, and also on how to separate it and things like that. So these are some of the things that I'm talking to her about now. So yeah, that's just pretty much me just continuing to separate her curls. And I'm just loving how they came out. Like, she was really happy with the results. She's like, oh my gosh, these came out so good, and they dried in record time. So she was super happy. And look at the body. She wanted some hair in the front of her face. So I did rod it so that they were coming forward. And as you can see, she likes big hair. She made the point to let me know she loves big hair. So I just kind of took my fingers and went to the base of the hair and just kind of act like a pick and just kind of pull it up to make it bigger. But that was my little happy dance. I was super excited with the outcome, and she was happy with the outcome. A little bit more shine spray, why not? Oil will never hurt the curls. She couldn't believe how soft her hair was too when she was feeling it. So as you can see, look at the definition in these curls, y'all. They're like not frizzy. They are just amazing. I love my corkscrew curls. Look at that. It's just so pretty. So anyway, if you haven't already, book your appointment, book.chrissywoods.com. I really hope to see you in my chair super soon. And be on the lookout. Microlinks are here. I have them on my site. I'm ready to do your consultations. So book your microlink consultation, book your rod sets, and I'll see you soon. Bye.